Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to record channels on Peacock. Just all you have to do is follow my steps until the end, and let's go for the process for the tutorial. Alright, and so the first thing, what we need to do, we need to open the browser. Of course, we have to open Google, and once we open Google, we're going to search for the website, which is Peacock. Over here, we click on it, and so we have the first option, which is peacock.com, stream TV and movies online, and so on. It's a streaming service that kinds like Netflix or Watch It and so on. So we're gonna click on it over here and wait a few seconds until the page is opening. Alright, and so once we open it here, we have the logo or the name, and it says for the US, which is United States customers, your device must physically be located in the US to stream, but for other international audience, which is me, one of them, it's not available in your country so far, or territory, better say. But I'm going to show you the steps to how record inside this stream platform. For example, if you go down a little bit here, we have a lot of options. So let's pick up Spider-Man because it's my favorite since I was 7 years old. And we click on it over here, but it says unavailable in your region. So just let's consider and pretend that is working already. And we click on it. So once we click on it, we need to watch, okay, by just sign in or get started. And then we can use a third-party application to capture or to record the screen, such as OBS, the one I'm using at the current time. And that's how you can record while you watch a stream on Peacock. At the end, that was on today's video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.